My dear students, I am your Venkat. Today, again from the starting, I am taking class as per the request of some students. From the first chapter of the intermediate first year, I will go on some questions. Today, I will discuss about 4 questions, which are very, very important for both NEET and IIT. Now, the first question is, I will explain every concept for every question in this. So the first question is, what is the invention of C.V. Raman? Once C.V. Raman sir is going by flight, he observed the sky and the water, that is the water in the ocean, both are in blue color, So after landing, he studied about why the reason both are in blue in color. Then after his study, he observed that this blue color is due to the scattering of the molecules present in the atmosphere. What is meant by scattering? Scattering, the molecules present in the atmosphere, they will absorb the sunlight, then they would vibrate and they will give away the energy. That is, they scatter the energy in all directions with different intensities. This process is called scattering of the light. The blue color of the light is due to the scattering of nitrogen and oxygen molecules present in the atmosphere, because the molecule size of nitrogen and oxygen and the blue color wavelength, they are comparable. So when they are comparable, these molecules, they scatter the blue color. That is the reason. Next one. What is the dimensional formula of speed? So we know that in dimensional formula, we have to use all the fundamental quantities. What are the fundamental physical quantities? Mass, length, time. By representing all the 3, we have to give the formula. For example, speed is equal to distance by time. That is V is equal to S by T. That distance is nothing but length, or V is equal to L by T. So here, V is equal to, if we represent M0, L1 and T minus 1, it is a dimensional formula. Here we have to represent all. If that mass is not there, it should be to the power 0. So if something to the power 0 is 1, so M will become 1. So the dimensional formula is M0, L1, T minus 1. All the 3 you have to write within the brackets. Next one. What is meant by vector and scalar? Vector quantity, it has both magnitude and direction. Magnitude is the number. Direction means from which place to which place. So for example, a car moving with a speed of 40 kilometers from Vijayawada to Vizag. Here the magnitude is the number 40 kilometers per hour. And the direction is from Vijayawada to Vizag. So it is having both magnitude and directions. So it is called vector quantity. Now scalar quantity, it has only magnitude, no direction. For example, we see example 20 meter. 20 meters is only magnitude, that is a number. It doesn't have any direction. So it is a scalar quantity. Next, we see the equations of a body when they can be applied. What are the equations now? V is equal to U plus AT, V is equal to U square plus 2AS, S is equal to UT plus half AT square. When we can apply the equations? As like we cannot apply these equations. The above equations are valid. We can apply the equations only. Number 1, when the body is moving in straight line, the body must move in straight lines only. The second condition is the body must move with uniform acceleration. That means the acceleration should be the same. The acceleration must be constant. So when these 2 conditions are there, then only we can apply the above equation. What is meant by U? U is the initial velocity, V is the final velocity, A is the acceleration, and T is the time taken for acceleration. And S is the distance covered. S is the distance or displacement, we can say. Okay, thank you very much.